Hello everyone, my name is VIKRAM and my entry number is B0517100040. And today I'm going to talk and explain to you all about this project where the product that we have chosen is photocopy machine. Okay, let us look into the introduction. Photocopy machine is an important part in our daily life. Nowadays, many organizations are interested in the environmental impact associated when it comes to life cycle. The photocopy machine business has also innovation that helps to achieve its high environmental objective. The photocopy industry is facing a number of challenges when technology-specific data is becoming obsolete and the industry has to account for consumables such as paper and marking material. An eco-efficiency technique combining life cycle cost and environmental evaluation has been created, where this technology can be used in the future. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad KHAIRUL. Today I will talk about the chapter 2, literature review. For the first literature review by Chester Carlson, it states a patent attorney in New York created the electrophotography technique. Second, has been stated by both Roy, Dewhurst, and Knight. The FMA often try to simplify the product structure by lowering the total number of the components, optimizing for the optimum mix of material, geometry, and cost-effective manufacturing technique. For the third literature review from Wahab and Hishamuddin, DFD is the most important variable for increasing the efficiency of product reuse or remanufacturing at the assembly and disassembly. Next, Cabernet and Cara has already stated that for DFD, if product is correctly planned for assembly and the assembly, the technical and economic issue of manufacturing can be considerably minimized. Next, Charter Avenue state that DFE methods are designed to create an environmentally friendly good and process while adhering to product pricing, performance, and quality specification. For the next literature review by Sherwin and Brahma, he proposed that the actual focus for innovation should be on the phase 3 and 4 redesign and rethinking, uh, as been stated at the figure above. According to the Matsuyama Fukushige Umeda, the life cycle simulation technique was introduced to reduce environmental pressure and resource consumption. And for the last literature review from Go, Wahab, and Hishamuddin, in practice, the DFE, when combined with the fair application of LCA, is a powerful tool for creating a long-term product design.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Mohammed Azwareza bin Muhammad Rodzi. I will continue about methodology. So for method use, we use life cycle thinking and eco assessment qualitative tool, which is have eco design web and eco indicator. Okay, for life cycle thinking, it is feasible that the eco design will be begin as a sketch and then evolve into an experimental drawing. As assembly sketch is often the first step in development of a product, this drawing can be used to create additional of internal component and feature. The sketch can be developed to formal details and assembly plan whenever the concept look to be worth for the extra effort. While the sketch may have been seen inconsequential at the time of the creation, they should all be dated, signed, and kept for the drawing sketch. Next, for Eco Assessment Qualitative Tool, we use Eco Design Web. Eco Design Web diagrams are a popular group of tools that meet environment standards for a product. The spider web diagram allows the design to use eco design strategically. Each of them is depicted in the diagram, making the benefit of a new design immediately apparent. For eco design web, we have 7 regions. First, new way of doing it. Second, material selection, material use, distribution, product use, optimal life, and lastly, end of life. And after that, we use eco indicator 99. These indicator value are available for material, which production process based on 1 kilo material, production process, which is treatment and processing of various material, transport processes. These are mostly expressed in unit ton kilometer. Next, energy generation process, which is given for electricity and heat disposal scenario. And for this indicator, following steps must always be followed to ensure correct application of the indicator. Firstly, you must establish the purpose of the eco indicator calculation. This for determine whether an analysis or a comparison between several products is being conducted of a specific product. Next, define the life cycle. Provide an overview of the life cycle of the product. Third, quantify material and processes. Determine functional, calculate, and assume any missing data. Next, fill the form. This for record the type of materials and processes, calculate results, and lastly, interpret the result. This combine the conclusion, monitor the consequences, and check the calculation aim. For this indicator, it is recommended that we start simple and carry out a raw calculation in the first instance. Detail can then be added and data can be revised or supplemented at a larger stage. This ensures that we do not waste too much time with the details.
Hi, I'm PRAVINAN and I would like to present about the result and findings of our project. First, product lifecycle consists of 5 elements such as raw material, manufacturing, distribution, use, and disposal. So, this is the eco-web design of our project. This eco-web design consists of 7 elements such as material selection, material usage, distribution, product use, optimal life, end of life, and new ways of doing it. First, for the material selection, the materials that selected for the photocopy machines are stainless steel, aluminium, PVC, metal, and glass. For the material usage, it is laser cutting, stamping, injection molding, extrusion, and EPDM. Next, for the distribution, they use transportation and shipped out, distribute to the selected store. The photocopy machine can be used to make photocopy or print our desired pages. The optimal life of a photocopy machine is 6 to 10 years with warranty support from the manufacturer. What happens when a photocopy machine is about to be disposed? The parts in the photocopy machine can be recycled or reused for future purposes. On the other hand, the photocopy machine also can be used to scan documents also. We used a powerful tool called Echo Indicator to analyze our photocopy machine. Echo indicators can be divided into 3 categories, which are production, use, and disposal, while lifecycle analysis can be used to analyze 5 sections, which are raw material, production, transportation, use, and disposal. The analysis of echo indicators for photocopy machine as follows. As the first step, we identified the parts inside the photocopy machine. These are the list of the parts that are inside the photocopy machine. Number 1, its original glass, which consists 2 glass inside the photocopy machine. Next, fusing unit, which is made of PVC, auto duplex, which is made of PVC, drum unit, which is made of PVC, waste on a box, which is made of PVC, charge corona, which is made of steel, toner unit, which is made of PVC. Then the paper cassette and the paper trays, which are made by PVC, the pressure roller, which is made by aluminium, the power switch, which is made by PVC, the transfer belt, which is made by rubber, the bypass tray, lower front door and upper front door, which is made by PVC, and the machine body, which is made by stainless steel. The total mass of the photocopy machine is 48.2 kilograms. Then we constructed 3 tables for production, use, and disposal of the photocopy machine. These tables consist of material or process to produce the photocopy machine. First, we list down all the materials and processes we needed to produce the photocopy machine. And then we found out the amount of mass of each material to produce the photocopy machine. And then we searched for the echo indicator of each of the materials such as glass, PVC, steel, aluminium, and rubber and stainless steel. And then we found out the echo indicator for the processes such as pressure forming, injection molding, stamping, extrusion, EPDM, and bending. And then we multiplied the amount of the mass and the indicator to get the result. the total result will be 13,750.20. The table above is for the use of the photocopy machine. It consists of 4 processes, which are electricity consumption, paper which is needed to be wrapped for distribution, transportation for import and export of the photocopy machine, and the product distribution within the country. For the electricity, the amount will be 31,536 kilowatt per hour as assumption, and the echo indicator will be 33. The paper wrapping, the amount of weight is 5 kilograms and the indicator will be 96. And the transportation for import and export will be 39.312 ton per kilometer and the indicator will be 1.1. And finally, the product distribution within the country by the supplier will be 4.8 ton per kilometer, which has the indicator of 15. The bottom table is for the disposal of the photocopy machine and its echo indicators. It has 5 types of disposal to be done, which is landfill of steel, landfill of glass, incineration of PVC, recyclation of paper, and landfill of aluminium. The amount to be disposed are 10.3 kilograms of steel, 8 kilograms of glass, 21.1 kilograms of PVC, 5 kilograms of paper, and 1.4 kilograms of aluminium. By multiplying with its indicator, the total result will be 802.28. As for the tables, we can conclude that the total for the production indicator is 13,750.20, use is 1,041,283.24, and the total disposal of the photocopy machine is 802.28. Thank you.
My name is KUMAR and my metric number is B0517100186. Today I'm here to present about my part, which is discussion. This chapter is about all the improvement and recommendation of the photocopy machine that can be done in future. Firstly, as we can see on the left side for the Eco Design Web, the energy usage for material selection and material usage is very bad. Therefore, in order to make a better energy usage, we consider to change the material selection and material usage. For the Eco Design improvement, we have changed the material usage and material process. Based on the Eco indicator calculation, we have planned to develop the new photocopy machine component from other material with low indicator. Therefore, we have considered to change the component made of PVC into stainless steel. And for the process, we have changed the plastic injection molding into stamping process. Any unused metal can be recycled or disposed in landfill. By doing this, we can reduce production indicator as well as carbon footprint released during production phase. When it comes to disposal phase, the previous indicator recorded 802.28, which is higher than the new indicator that comes after replacement is made. As a result, user will be able to understand how much of an impact the design choices will have on our environment.
In conclusion, the photocopy machine is made up of 16 individual elements that we can recycle or reuse in other products. The material used to construct the machine may be recyclable, resulting in minimum environmental impact. It will take place of the present model, which is built of polyvinyl chloride PVC. A new type of photocopy machine has been designed to be environmental friendly. The majority of the parts are made of recyclable material to reduce resources waste. Changes in the materials and the procedures will not be impaired in the product's performance, but they may result in a better enhancement to the current product. Thank you very much.